Okay, before we do anything, let's get this 55-gallon drum full of E85 off this truck over there without any help. So if you guys are wondering how I do this, I'll explain. First, we need this over here. This is my Flower Power Man juice. That's pretty spicy to give me some liquid courage to do this. Then, since I'm 44, so I gotta stretch. When you guys get older, some of you young cats, the way you hurt yourself is by thinking you can do the same things when you're in your 20s and 30s, when you're in your 40s. So I'm gonna stretch a little bit. Hopefully I don't pull a muscle or tendon. All right, let's get ready for this. All right, first we gotta pull this sideways. Make sure it's good and tight so fuel doesn't leak out. And these guys, I got something for that. This guy, make sure it's good and tight. That one's already tight. All right, so we're good and tight right here. Drop her down. All right. So just be careful. It gets heavy quick when it gets there. This is roughly 300-something pounds. So treat it with respect, guys. Know your limits too. So we can Flintstone this guy right off here. See, I can get onto the tailgate with this little crack. It'll keep it from moving. Make sure it's gonna, these guys right here aren't gonna go anywhere. And then slowly, and I'm gonna use my leg right here, and I'm gonna keep it from rolling out of control on me. So I'm just gonna take it onto these guys. All right. Right, go very slow. Use your weight and your belly and your legs to control it down. And as you see, you can easily control your barrel all the way down. Make sure you don't have no knee injuries, because right here, you're gonna have to use your knees and just keep on coming down. Nice and slow until she's off. All right. And then this right here, use my legs, not my back. When you're old like me, you can really fuck yourself up real quick. So, just like this, use my legs. There we go. Done.